Hello guys, welcome to Computer Coders. In this video, I am going to show you the top 3 best coding application for beginners. With the help of these 3 coding apps, you can learn the basics of coding very well. Hope this video will help you so much. So let's start the video. Our first application is Solo Learn. So this is the app Solo Learn. This is the very basic simple application by which you can learn the coding in just a few minutes. This is the interface of the Solo Learn app. Here you can find individual categories like development and data scientist and app developments. So in this platform you can learn many coding languages like C, Java, C Hash, C++ and many at all. So for learning you can do press and there are simply few lessons in this module. You can easily answer to these questions and you can learn these answers, and it's very simple to complete this course and get a certification. So this is the app where you can challenge anybody and you can challenge the compiler. In the feed section you can be updated with the coding world. In the code section you can code any of the coding part which you want to code, and in the discussion tab here is the main your friends of coding, where there are many friends. You can ask the questions and you can challenge us with them. So this is the application named Solo Learn, which will be very useful. Our second application is Grasshopper. Yes, it's not an animal, it's the application named Grasshopper. This is the interface where you have to first of all sign in or sign up. So let's sign up. Here they will ask like simple question, do you learn coding or what types of do you want to learn. So after selecting that, answer the questions which are asked in this. After this, tap on that, then start coding. Starts where we can learn. First of all, there will be showing you how to design a French flag using a coding. So here as usual the tutorial will be shown and you have to see the tutorial and you have to answer the questions. While attending the question, you can able to easily learn the coding of how to draw a flag by with the coding matching the following or choose the MCQs. With the help of this, you can easily learn any kind of coding languages in this part. So this is the second application in our list, which is Grasshopper. Last but not least, our third application is Enki. Yes, it's Enki, the most beginners application to learn coding. The application starts from here, so you have to press the same things which we are done in Grasshopper. So no, we are not good in codings and whatever your experience you have to fulfill in these MCQs. And after that, it's here the part starts where you can learn many more things like programming languages, data scientist, web development, app development and many more, where everything in the coding field you can learn easily within few steps. We are beginners, so we are going to select coding intro and then the same as beginner content, then done. After that, click on the next. After that, fill up everything. After sign up, the Enki Pro application will be opened here. We go to the free version of it. Now we will select some of the main purpose of the themes of our mobile phones. Let's got it. So here this is the main interface of the application where you can see the skill map where you have finished and whatever things you have done in this application. Then on the account where you can manage everything till now, what application or what coding languages you have completed in these courses. So with the help of these 3 applications, you can learn the coding part very easily and very efficiently and within few days. Hope you all liked this video, and target for this video is 100 likes. If you guys support us and you complete our target 100 likes on this video, we will bring another video of the same topic, best 3 coding application for beginners, where we are providing you the best coding application for beginners where you can learn easily the coding part. Hope you all liked this video. Like this video, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.